Introduce highlight features and quick overview of Camzezy Portable Folding Barbecue Grill, 29 pieces little portable charcoal grills kits. Charbroil Barbecue Grill for camping foldable grill with case for outdoor. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Camzezy Portable Barbecue Grill Set is an expert in grilling. 29 pieces barbecue tool kit has everything you need for grilling. It brings more convenient in your life without purchasing grill tools one by one. The professional barbecue tools set helps to ensure your food juicy, tender, and delicious. You can host an excellent barbecue party with this helpful grilling kit even you are a beginner. Really an expert in grilling, and our camping grilling tool set are made of premium materials with exquisite workmanship. We are sure that you will be absolutely impressed by its elegant appearance. A perfect gift to your family and friends. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.